So some tips for Screencast-O-Matic. One is the coordination of voiceover with action. That takes a little bit of practice because we're just not used to doing that. The other tip I can recommend is to follow the suggestions that Screencast-O-Matic gives you in terms of setting your microphone levels. There are different settings for built-in microphones versus an external microphone. You also want to make sure that you frame that Screencast-O-Matic frame around the thing that you want it to record. Otherwise, that wild and funky wallpaper you have on your computer will show up in the Screencast-O-Matic in the background. I would also recommend that people record in short segments as opposed to trying to do a 2 or 3 or 5 minute Screencast-O-Matic all at once. As I said before, Screencast-O-Matic will allow you to edit as you do the Screencast-O-Matic, and so if you're not satisfied with a particular piece, you can kind of edit that out and continue to record your Screencast-O-Matic. I would also take advantage of some of the other suggestions that Screencast-O-Matic will give you after you finish your recording. It will let you, for instance, change the halo on your cursor. Sometimes you may want the halo, sometimes you may not want the halo. It'll allow you to remove the mouse clicks. Sometimes that's too distracting for some of the things that you may want to record on Screencast-O-Matic. And I would also take advantage of the different options. As I said, you can download that video into a file. One of the things that I'm going to encourage my students to do is to upload them to Dropbox. That way they can share it with whom they want to share it. You can upload it to YouTube. I have a YouTube channel where a lot of my Screencast-O-Matic recordings live. But you can embed it in a WordPress blog or any other web application that accepts embedded video, and it's just a great versatile way to use Screencast-O-Matic.